In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a sheet in Google Sheets. If your workbook is getting crowded, this is the quickest way to tidy things up and keep your data organized. Think of your workbook as the whole file, and each tab at the bottom as a separate sheet inside it. Deleting a sheet removes just that tab and its contents, not the entire file. Start by looking at the bottom of your Google Sheets window. That's where you'll see all your sheet tabs lined up. Take a brief moment to identify the exact sheet you want to remove. The tab name is your best guide, and if you have many tabs or similar names, pause to make sure you're on the right one. On smaller screens, tabs can be squeezed together, so read carefully to avoid mistakes. This extra second of attention helps prevent deleting the wrong sheet in a busy workbook. Once you've found the correct tab, move your cursor over it and right-click. A small menu will appear with options that apply to that specific sheet. From this menu, select Delete. This tells Google Sheets you want to remove the entire sheet and everything on it from your workbook. Immediately after you select Delete, you'll see a confirmation prompt. This is Google's way of making sure you meant it. Read the prompt, and if you're certain, click OK. As soon as you confirm, the sheet disappears and your remaining tabs shift left to fill the gap. That's the whole process. Fast, direct, and efficient. A quick word of caution. Deleting a sheet isn't easily undone. Treat it like a final action rather than a temporary change. If you're working in a shared file, remember that removing a sheet affects everyone with access, so make sure it's no longer needed. If the sheet contains any information that might be useful later, double-check that it's already stored elsewhere or that your team is finished with it. A short pause to confirm can save you from accidental data loss. To recap the flow you'll follow every time, head to the bottom of your screen, right-click the tab you want to remove, choose Delete, and then confirm by clicking OK. With a few careful clicks, you can keep your workbook clean, focused, and easy to navigate. Use this simple process whenever clutter builds up, and you'll keep your workspace streamlined and stress-free.